welcome back to my page. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this lovely mini braid using this kinky crochet head to achieve it. I actually make use of three color 30, color 1B, then color 1. Those are the three color I made use of. This is my natural hair. I'm on a natural hair journey back. That is why my hair is short. So let's start braiding. Kindly please do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved one, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys towards the end how to maintain it, then how many pack I use and where I got the hair from. Kindly please keep on watching. This braid actually took me 5 days to achieve because I'm a mom of three. So it took me 5 days. Some of the parts I didn't show it on camera. As you can see from the beginning, the back section, I didn't show it on camera when I started the back section because the back section is actually the difficult part. So when you are done with that, you are good to go. I made use of 5 pack of this kinky hair, and this hair is very lightweight, it's not heavy. You don't need to dip it into the hot water when you are done. You don't need that. When you're on the last part, you start smiling, the happiness, the joy, the freedom that comes towards the end of the last row. In fact, yeah, we are done. This is the hair serum I use. I just apply this oil. You don't need mousse. You don't need hairspray. This is only thing you need. And this is a 1 month update. It was 1 month later. I actually show you guys the final look of the hair. I almost forgot, like I've not filmed the final result of this actual hair. This is 1 month later, and I'm still rocking the hair. I rock this hair a lot. You can actually check out my vlog channel, Atinuke Sikiru, and I'm sorry for the background noise. That is my baby. So that is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.